How to log into DBS Bank mobile banking. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily log into your DBS DG banking. Let's get right into it. So the first thing that you can do is install the application from your Play Store and then just open the app. Now, once you open up, you will directly be greeted by the login page of this app. So once you get to your login page, you have two options. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for the DigiBank account. And if you already have an account, you can directly log in. So if you tap on login, it will take you to the login portal of the app. Now, here you have two options. The first one is to enter your user ID, and once you enter your user ID, you have the second option to enter your PIN code. So all you have to do here is just enter the PIN code that you have set previously as your DigiBank's PIN code, and then simply log in. And if you have set up any biometrics, you can tap on this little icon right here. And once you do that, all you have to do here is enter your PIN, but in any case, if you've forgotten your user ID or PIN, you can always click right here to recover your account. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest videos. I will catch you guys on the next one.